guessed it, another BTR stage 4 cam coming up, but this one's a little bit different. So let's start it off. Riley's 2011 model HSV Club Sport, number plate suited to the absolute T, Viagra, just perfect for the car. Now, LS3 engine, we've just installed a Harrop 2650 supercharger to this one. Set of Blackwell CNC cylinder heads, which has just had the chambers and the bowls done, and the good old trusty BTR stage 4 PDS camshaft. It's the golden cam, it really is. I've done plenty of videos in this camshaft now. I'm not going to put much time into talking about the camshaft itself. Just go back and watch our other videos if you want to see. I've done that many of them, and you can literally see how much we love this camshaft. So what sort of power are we talking with this particular supercharger? So 583 kilowatts, 934 newton meters of torque. Boost is sitting at around 13 psi. So this is a completely stock engine, and we obviously don't want to push the friendship with this. Riley's going to drive it, he's going to use it, and we've got to be sensible. So I am actually holding the tune back quite a fair bit. It would take actually quite a lot more ignition timing than I would traditionally run, and that's because obviously the camshaft is so good, and it does its job so well that we can actually run more timing with boost. So, but in this case, we didn't want it to make much more than sort of 560, 570 kilowatts anyway. So we've actually held this one back quite a fair bit until he builds an engine, and then once he builds an engine, then we're going to open it up and just let it sing, you know what I mean? And it will go over 600 kilowatts, quite comfortable. The 2650 blower is absolutely having a holiday at this boost level. You know, intake temps are just like hovering around 40 odd degrees at C, and you know, it's doing it quite easy, and it's a really good thing. But you know, just like all the other ones, you know, if you look at 3000 revs, it's got, you know, over 800 newton meters of torque, and at 2500 revs, it's got, you know, 790 odd newton meters of torque. And by 5200, you know, it's got the full berries, you know, 934 newton meters of torque. So, you know, this is an absolute banger combo. LS3 engine, 2650 blower, BTR camshaft, cylinder heads, which aren't over the top cylinder heads. It's just a good clean up. We wanted to put some head studs in it anyway, so we did it at the same time. Did it really need to put the heads on it? Probably not. But this is one thing he won't need to do later. So, but still runs the inch and 5/8. Sorry, I'm getting all messed up here. Inch and 7/8, 4-into-1 headers, twin 3-inch exhaust, and then it's got the Harrop OTR, as you can see, front facing intake. And yeah, just a really good combination that just works, and it works well, and it's going to feel awesome out in the street. Customers going to love it. Sounds great. Ticks all the boxes. It's a really good combo. So Riley's he's gonna love this thing. So I can't wait to deliver it back to him. Yeah. So if you've been following along and you've seen all our BTR camshafts, we've had a few people wanting to know how would this cam work with the 2650. Well, there you have it. That's basically where it is. That's what it does. That's on the lower side. We are running the standard balancer and a 75mm blower pulley. A lot of people were saying, oh, you got to go to the LSA front drive and all that. I honestly don't think you need to at this level, or this ratio that we're spinning the blower. And it's, yeah, the belt's having a holiday. It's not slipping. It's not doing anything it shouldn't be doing. So, yeah, standard balancer, 75mm pulley. It's got the 1000cc injectors in it. It's got the KPM drop-in fuel pump in this one. And, yeah, and the BTR cam and all the other stuff, as I've mentioned. So, but anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And as always, see you on the next one. Catch ya.